Cascadia passports are here. We're gonna do a little unboxing for you when I get a thing to open this with. I have not seen these yet, and I'm really excited. I saw the digital version, but it's not really real till it's printed. Oh man. So we got these done at Girly Press in Seattle. I think there's stickers on there. Okay, I want this up. Whoa! Look at that. Talk about a passport. This is even cooler than I thought it was gonna be. It's shiny and it has rounded corners. If anybody, oh, look at that. If anybody actually uses this at the border or tries to, they will be my new best friend. So what's all in here? Let's see. How to use your passport, history, nice pictures about the Cascadia stamp. Ooh, they're nice thick pages too. Girly Press did a really good job on this. Ooh, okay, wait, let's see where I live. Where do I live? Where's mine? Nope, not there. Where do I live? I need this passport to find out. I live here, in the Sailor Sea. These are really cool. Big thank you to Girly Press for like rounding the corners and making everything look super awesome. I'm gonna sit here and try to like break all of these because you should be able to like carry it in your backpack when you're hiking, and then when a Mountie is like, tell me about where you're from, you can be like, Cascadia.